Steve, Brian, Anna, this is much better than expected.
Yeah.
We were expecting 180,000. We got 255,000. Wages went up a little, obviously not much, 0.3%, but you want to see that it's in the right movement. And the market's immediately trading up right on the heels of this number, basically trading on the idea that the economy has begun to really improve based on the July numbers. Now, look, we could see a revision. We saw what happened with the May number. We had that huge revision. But right now, this is definitely a strong number, and it probably does indicate that at some point, maybe at the end of this year, the Federal Reserve starts to lift interest rates.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask you, because if the economy's humming, and that's a great number, it's bigger than they thought, the Fed wants to tighten things to make things work the old way.
Right. And you know, up until now, we're talking about we've been sitting on zero rates for so long. It's been great news for people wanting to take out a mortgage. It's been great news for lending. It's not been good news for savers because obviously you're not getting any return if you have your money in a savings account.
And Maria, it's bad if you're living on a fixed income because then the interest rate is close to zero.
Exactly. So people want to see rates move higher just so that it doesn't, you know, it feels like it's actually realistic where rates should be. And also to give you some competition. I mean, that's why the stock market has gone so well, going up, because there's no return anywhere else. It's just pushing money into equities.
Finally, Maria, 100,000 jobs is what is needed per month. Is that right, to keep up with population growth?
Yes.
So you think we'll hit that next month? I mean, is this a trend that we're seeing? They were low and now they've really gotten a lot higher?
Up and down.
I don't want to say 1 month is a trend, Anna, frankly, but definitely it feels like things are getting better. I should point out that, you know, one of our panelists earlier, Joni Corney, who is running a placement firm, said that most of the job creation since 2009 has been in services. So this is a service economy. You're not really seeing it in places like construction, places, but we're seeing little bits and pieces of it. So yes, improvement, good, going in the right direction. I wouldn't call it a trend yet.
All right, Maria Bartiromo, thanks so much.
Thanks,
I think we have to return to our respective networks.
Exactly.
Okay,
Talk amongst yourselves. Thank you so much, Brian, Stephen, Anna.